Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is given down below in the description. Today, we're looking at the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit, the newest model from Ring designed to bring smarter, simpler, and more powerful security to your home. Whether you're in an apartment, a condo, or a 2-bedroom home, this all-in-one kit gives you full control, real-time alerts, and complete peace of mind. All from the palm of your hand. Now, let's talk about what makes this new Ring alarm system one of the most popular smart home security kits in 2024 and beyond. The first thing you'll notice is the updated design, a more intuitive keypad that feels sleek, compact, and easy to use. The layout now includes dedicated emergency buttons, letting you instantly call for help if you ever need to. It's designed for quick action, especially in high-stress moments, making it not just smart, but safe. Then there are the smaller contact sensors. These blend seamlessly into your doors and windows, so they don't stand out or disrupt your home's aesthetic. It's a clean and modern setup that doesn't draw attention. Perfect if you want strong security without bulky equipment. Inside the kit, you get one base station, one keypad for contact sensors, one motion detector, and one range extender. Everything you need to start protecting your home right out of the box. The base station acts as the brain of your security system. It connects all your sensors and accessories together, keeping your home protected 24/7. With its reliable Wi-Fi and backup features, it ensures your system stays online and ready, even if the internet goes down. The motion detector is your extra layer of protection, monitoring movement across rooms and hallways. Combined with the contact sensors, it helps you detect unauthorized entry points the moment they occur. One of the standout upgrades with this newest Ring alarm model is the enhanced integration with Alexa. You can pair the system with your Echo devices and manage everything using just your voice. Want to check your front door? Just say, "Alexa, show me the front door," and you'll see a live view from your compatible Ring camera. You can also receive motion alerts directly through your Echo device, or even talk to visitors with a simple command. It's a hands-free way to stay connected to your home, whether you're cooking, working, or even away. Ring has also made this system much smarter with subscription-based add-ons that expand your capabilities. When you subscribe to Ring Protect or Ring Home Standard, you can record 24/7 on eligible cameras, scroll through past footage, and receive detailed alerts for people or packages. You can even add professional monitoring, giving you emergency response for police, fire, or medical help whenever you need it. All these features combine to give you a system that not only protects your home, but also adapts to your lifestyle. You can arm or disarm your system directly from the app, set custom modes for home or away, and receive instant notifications no matter where you are. The Ring Alarm Kit is all about flexibility. You can start with the 8-piece kit, then expand over time by adding more sensors or cameras. It's future-ready, designed to grow as your needs do. And let's not forget, this entire system is built with privacy and security in mind. Ring has introduced multiple layers of encryption, secure data transfer, and customizable privacy zones to make sure you're always in control of your information. For homes that already use Ring doorbells or indoor cams, this kit is the perfect addition to create a complete home ecosystem. You'll have cameras monitoring your exterior and sensors guarding your doors and windows, all syncing in one place. In terms of setup, it couldn't be easier. The Ring app walks you through each step, from pairing devices to naming rooms. The sensors connect wirelessly, and the included range extender ensures that every corner of your home stays within reach. Once installed, you'll appreciate how responsive the system is. If someone opens a door, you'll get an instant alert. If there's movement when you're away, the motion detector triggers a notification. Everything is fast, accurate, and reliable. And since the base station connects over 802.11b/g/n Wi-Fi, it offers stable performance and consistent coverage. You can even customize alerts, set up routines, or integrate it with other smart devices for automated security control. All of these features together make the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit one of the most trusted and complete home security solutions out there. If you want to take your home's protection to the next level with smart sensors, seamless Alexa integration, and reliable 24/7 monitoring, this is definitely worth checking out. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is given down below in the description.